But we've had this desk for about a year and a half now, and I love it. We keep it in our closet because we have busy toddlers that like to play and get into things, and this works really nice in a standard size closet. Yeah, highly recommend this desk. It's really sturdy, which is really great because my husband doesn't like to be bumped while he's playing games, and I can be sitting here working without disturbing him. The legs are really nice metal construction. They're really heavy duty. Again, this fits in my closet perfectly. The wood grain is really nice and pretty. It's got nice support systems in it. This is such a pretty desk. So well made. Highly recommend.
The NSdirectModern computer desk is a perfect accent to any computer room or office in your home. It's pretty easy to put together. You just have to attach the legs with the Allen key provided, and there's nice stoppers on the bottom that won't let the desk slide around if it is on a wood floor as opposed to carpet. You do have to attach the top to the legs as well. As you can see, more Allen key spots. The top is a nice wood, and it looks nice and is nice and smooth. It comes in a few different wood stained colors to match whatever you're going for in your design choices. The legs are made of metal, and it's a nice size computer desk for your office.